Cool. Anything else? Yeah, short one.
I'm very exhausted.
Okay.
And yeah, I wanna ask like how can I go for the next week now in this exhausted state?
Yes. Well, go. And perhaps you're stronger than you know. And just continue anyway. What are you that's exhausted? You're exhausted? Okay, there's an experience, exhaustion. And what are you? Because you'll find powers. And also, you can have your mind wake up. Sometimes these things are mental. I told you my story about figuring out when I got wise to myself. And basically I was contemplating, I got super tired, I'm like, fuck, I'm tired. And then I started fantasizing, and I was like, And then I was like, wait, I'm fantasizing. And I contemplated, I got tired again, like, fucking. And then I fantasize, I'm like, wake up right away. And then I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, I'm going to try this again. So I consciously was like, all right, I'm going to contemplate. I did it. I went, contemplate, shut down. I'm like, all right, fucker, that's it. Okay. And it's like I pushed and broke through a wall. And, okay. So that's possible. And then I didn't really have a problem with that, and now I seem to have more facility. Sometimes, the mind is like, no, like we're working on overdrive here. This is too much, so shut down. And it's mostly mental. Because it's really hard to get your body to be physically
No, I'm not tired, I'm just exhausted.
Oh, what's exhausted?
Just from too much work, just like, as you say, block off, just like.
What is exhausted? Oh, sorry, we don't have much time, but is it a feeling or what? I guess.
No, it is similar to tiredness.
Do you feel drained?
Yeah, drained.
Okay, well, fill up the gas. Just like create some energy. Or be tired and contemplate anyway. Yeah, either way. And you'll have help, everybody will be here. You can work on consciousness only. Shh. Don't make any weird shit up. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, just keep going. And if you fall asleep, I'll wake you up.